Hey guys, Coach KIRKSHINTA here from Western New York. In this video today, I'm going to talk about the Total Life Changes Health Kit. I actually want to answer the question of a customer who reached out and has high blood pressure and is looking for what Total Life Changes products could assist her on her journey to having better blood pressure. So I first want to start by saying I'm not a medical professional, don't claim to be, but I'm going to share the knowledge of what I know about these natural organic health products and how they could assist a person who's looking for that solution and what products would fit. Okay, so that said, one of the things is if you're looking to improve your high blood pressure, I'm going to start by saying that we have two combinations that have tons of testimonies. I'm going to take you through some of the testimonials to help people with that condition. Okay, the first combination is 𝐑𝐞𝐜 and Chaga. Okay, 𝐑𝐞𝐜 and Chaga. I'm sorry. Both of those are medicinal reishi mushrooms. Okay, reishi mushrooms, you could go ahead and look online about them. Have tons of health benefits. You could go look on WebMD, Dr. Oz, things like that. But anyways, tons of health benefits and have been shown to help people with conditions such as lowering blood pressure, lowering cholesterol, just anti-inflammatory, things like that. Okay, so those are some of the things that people would take it for. But anyways, 𝐑𝐞𝐜 and Chaga together as a combination, as the first combination. Many of people in our company have, testified that combination has helped them to lower their blood pressure. Okay, and then the second combination that also helps as well, and it gives you a lot of additional health benefits, is the health kit. The health kit is the tea, the NutriBurst, and the Chaga. Okay, so you get the benefits of the medicinal reishi mushroom, but then you're getting also the benefits of the cleanse with our tea, which also helps in your overall wellness, and also with getting basically to get whenever your pressure is up, something in your body is out of alignment. This combination of the health kit also helps with making sure your body is in alignment. I recommend that if someone just starts with the regular 𝐑𝐞𝐜 and the Chaga for their blood pressure, that regardless they add on the tea as a cleanse. Okay, so that's my recommendation: either the 𝐑𝐞𝐜 and Chaga or the health kit. Okay, if you just do the 𝐑𝐞𝐜 and Chaga medicinal reishi, I always recommend that you add on the tea, because that way you're cleansing as well. Okay, which is important for the maintenance of your body. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this real quick so I could open up the testimonies and show you what people are saying about these products, and then I'm gonna go over what these products do. Okay, so let's look at what people are saying about these products. So specifically with blood pressure, someone said, thanks to Total Life Changes, Chaga, which is a medicinal reishi mushroom, right? My blood pressure went from 175 over 120 to February 138 over 106. I will live to see my 40th birthday on March 29th. Okay, so this person included their screenshots of their blood pressure going down due to taking Chaga. And then this one, the health kit, of course this is an older picture of the health kit, but it's the health kit. And it says, I went to the doctor and he told me my blood pressure was too high. I told my wife Carla that I was putting TLC products to the test. Here's the proof that documentation beats conversation. And you can see the blood pressure below going down. Okay, so 156 over 98, 149 over 96, and 129 over 69. That's more normal range, right? Let's look at two more testimonials. This one says, I had a wonderful doctor report last week. Blood pressure was 129 over 75. This is the lowest it's been in years. Cholesterol also down from 155 to 122 since November. The only changes I made was using the health kit, which is the ISOT, the NutriBurst, and the 𝐑𝐞𝐜. I can't make medical claims, but I can testify to what the products is doing for me. Okay, let's see. What else? Something don't look right. I've been taking 𝐸 for approximately 6 days now, and my blood pressure is lower than it's been in a while. I didn't have to ask the doctor if I could eat all the wrong food, so why do I need to check with him now? True story. And the blood pressure in this picture went from 149 over 102 to 114 over 82 using the 𝐸. And that's why I'm saying, you know, the combinations that you want to use together out of our products are 𝐸 and Chaga together. Okay. And then, you know, if you want the 360 health transformation, in terms of making sure you also have access to the cleanse and the NutriBurst so that your body also is getting nutrients you need, which also aids you on your journey, then you definitely want to just simply get the health kit, add on the 𝐸. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so Chaga and 𝐸. You can add on the tea if you want to as a cleanse. Or the second combination is to get the health kit. If you want the full shebang, get the health kit and add on 𝐸. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now let's go over and look at the health kit and what it does, or the products that are in there, which is the Chaga, the NutriBurst, and the tea. Okay, let's talk about what each one of these individual things do. So the tea, of course, you know, is going to cleanse your body and just make sure that you're cleansing the right way. NutriBurst is going to make sure your body's getting all the nutrients that your body needs. Okay, and then the Chaga has all the health benefits to help your body. Okay, so the tea by itself is going to cleanse your upper and lower intestines, going to improve your blood flow, which is something that also is impacted when you have high blood pressure, is your blood flow. Okay, it's going to reduce inflammation, which high blood pressure produces inflammation. It's putting all this pressure on your veins going through your thing. It's going to help with reduce inflammation. It's going to promote regularity and a healthy digestive tract. NutriBurst is going to detoxify your system. It's going to help with a healthy balance. It's going to make sure you're getting all the vitamins and minerals you need in a single tablespoon, and also the amino acids. Oh, I cannot talk right. And then Chaga, that's going to help with your nervous system, your immune system, prevents damage to cells and tissues, anti-aging properties, you know, all those things like that. Making sure you're getting the nutrients that you need, and just helping your body do what it does. So I hope that I answered this question of what products I recommend. Again, Chaga and 𝐸 together. Okay, you can feel free to add on the tea for that as well. And if you want the full shebang, go ahead and get the health kit, which includes the ISOT, NutriBurst, and Chaga, and just simply add on 𝐸. Okay, that's what I would do if you're looking to really make your focus lowering your blood pressure. If you're watching this and you're interested in these products, check out beneath this video. There'll be some information. Get in my free group, and that's it. See you in the next video. Subscribe, my friends.